it go? Where does it stop? Watch for the sign of the lollipop. Stop! It's the Y bird stop.
Who bird, a when bird, a where was that and what bird, a how do you do that bird? For the Y bird's a wise bird, no question I won't try bird. You want to know, just say the word, you only have to ask. You only have to ask. You only have to ask.
Right. I'll see you at the counter, Y. Oh, dear. Oh, hello. Goodness, it's hard work delivering supplies to all the Playdays stops. Now, where's Y? Y? You going to say hello?
Oh, what? Oh, hello. Sorry, didn't see you there.
You were daydreaming, weren't you?
Yes, I was. I was thinking what a lovely day it would be to go to the seaside.
Well, I know what you mean, but we've still got a lot of work to do.
Oh, suppose so.
Right, let's listen to the messages.
Right.
Oh, dear. That sounds a bit worrying, doesn't it?
What is it? What is it?
Dear. Oh, well. All our messages go onto this tape. And look, it's all mangled and twisted.
Oh, no! If the tape's all mangled and twisted, we can't listen to our messages.
No, I'm afraid not.
And if we can't listen to our messages, we won't know what jobs we've got to do.
Well, I know what my first job is. Got to find a replacement for this tape.
Ooh, right. What shall I do?
Why?
Why? Oh, hello, why?
No.
Hello.
Isn't it hot today?
Did you get my message? Oh, no, I'm afraid not.
Oh.
You see, the tape in my answering machine got all mangled and twisted.
Oh. Well, it's a good job I'm here then.
Hello, Poppy.
Hello.
What have you got there?
Oh, yes. Some pictures. Mr. Jolly wants to find out how to make the sounds that go with these pictures. So he can tell a story.
Sounds that go with pictures?
Yes.
I don't understand.
Well, let's have a look at them, shall we? And then that might help. Let's... Oh, I say. Tell you what, I think we'll bung them on the Y-Tech. Have a closer look.
Oh, right.
Right. First one.
Oh, look. It's me.
Right. So what we've got to do is find the sounds that go with that picture.
No, that's easy. Poppy snoring.
I don't snore.
I'm sure you don't, Poppy.
No.
So, no, we've got to think of some other sounds that go with that picture.
Oh, look, there's a clock.
Yeah.
Yes, now that would be ticketing,
Yeah.
and it's an alarm clock, so it would ring to wake Poppy up.
Oh, yes.
Well, shall we have a look then?
Oh,
Let's go on then.
Let's have a look.
Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Oh.
Ha-ha. So, we've got to find a ticking sound and a ringing sound to go with that picture.
Yes, and Poppy could do her own snoring.
What's the next picture?
Next picture. All right, here we go.
Pop it in, Charlie.
I will.
Here we go. Now let's have a look. Oh, that's easy.
Is it?
It's a train. A rickety back, rickety back, rickety back, rickety back.
Doesn't sound like a train to me.
No, but it was a very good try.
What?
Let's see what a real train sounds
Oh,
like.
all right then.
Chuk, chuk, chuk.
Well, I think we've got to work at that one for a bit, haven't we?
Yes.
Yes, all right, next picture. There we go. Oh, that looks fun. I bet we could all do animal noises, can't we?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm quite good at making cat noises.
I'm sure you are,
Yes.
Poppy. Right, let's give it a go, shall we?
Right.
There's lots of cows.
Oh, wait.
Moo.
Moo.
Moo. Moo. Moo. Moo.
ducks.
Quack, 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 quack.
And those are sheep. Look, a field full of sheep. What are these? Pigs. Right. Well, there's just one picture to go.
Oh, right.
In we go.
Oh, look! It's the seaside!
Yeah.
Oh, I can think of loads of sounds that go for that. Yes, like the sound of waves crashing against the shore, seagulls circling in the sky,
It's got all
everyone
poetic.
splashing in the water. Oh, I wish I could go there right now.
Look at all that sand. Oh, and sandcastles.
Oh, and splashing waves.
A lovely big sandcastle.
Yes.
Oh, here they come.
Yes, oh, I liked that one. Hello, it's me.
Oh, hello,
Hello, Peggy.
I'm glad you've arrived. We need your help. We've got to find the sounds that go with these 4 pictures.
That sounds interesting. We could take one each.
That's a good idea. You know, I think I've got the easiest picture of all. I love making animal sounds because all I need is my voice. And I know a song with lots of animal sounds in it, and I bet you do too. And I'll tell you what, we'll record the animal sounds on the tape recorder for Mr. Jolly. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Back you go. Who's next? How about this little fella? Yeah. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right, who's next? Our fluffy friend up here. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a bat here and a bat there, here a bat, there a bat, everywhere a bat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right, who's next? These 2 little pigs. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and an oink oink there, here there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right, back you go. There, marvellous. Right, I think we've covered all the sounds in that picture, haven't we? Now I wonder how the others are getting on. Oh, there's Poppy.
Oh, hello, Charlie.
Hello.
Hello. Look, I found this clock.
Oh, yes.
But it doesn't tick.
Ah.
Do you think you could help me, please? Because I don't know how to make the sound of an alarm clock.
Oh, well, there must be something, mustn't there?
What? Oh,
Hey, that's a good sound,
that's
isn't it?
good, isn't it? Can you make the alarm sound
The alarm.
too?
Oh, well, how about this?
Oh, yes, that sounds just like my alarm clock.
Yes.
I know.
What?
Let's have a practice.
A practice?
Right. I'll pretend to be asleep.
Yes.
And you can make the sound of the alarm clock and wake
All
me
right.
up.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Clock ticking first.
I'm practicing. Hang on.
Very good. Right.
Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish,
Poppy?
fish.
She's gone to sleep.
Fish, fish, fish.
Well, I
fish,
better
fish,
leave her
fish,
for a
fish.
bit. Go and see how the others are getting on.
Fish, 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 fish.
Oh, it's really difficult to make that chuggity-chug noise with your voice.
Yes, but we could do a horn sound, Peggy.
Oh, yes.
Listen. Dee-da.
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 Dee-da. Right, I think we should make an instrument to do the train noise. So I've got 2 pots here, and I've got a jar full of split peas. So, but they needn't be split peas. They could be rice or pasta or
Say,
lentils.
we're going to eat them.
No, we're not. We're going to make this noise. So you hold that firm with your beak. Why? And I'll get a bit of sticky here.
Ooh, don't put that near my beak.
I won't. There
Don't
it
want to get
goes.
stuck up.
Just to hold it together.
Have you done it?
Nearly. Just let me turn it around a bit. Yes, I think that's going to be all right. Okay,
Right.
All aboard. Mind the doors.
Mind the doors. Dee-da!
Oh, yes.
It does, doesn't it? Right. Right, is that all?
Oh, no. No, it isn't, Charlie.
Isn't it?
You see, I haven't found the sounds for my seaside picture yet. It's not as easy as I thought it would be.
Oh, perhaps we could ask the Y-Tech for some help again.
Oh, yes. What a good idea. Now I'd have to listen really hard.
Right.
Here we go.
I know. I could get a bucket of water and we can make some splashing noises.
Oh, yes, well, be careful you don't spill any, Peggy.
No, I won't.
And I could do a seagull sound with my voice.
Can you?
Yes, like this. There, how was that?
Are you all right, Charlie?
Yes, that was my seagull.
Oh, right. Well, what
Believe it
about
or
the
not.
waves? You
The
know, we have to
waves.
get the sound of the water washing over the pebbles on the beach.
I'll tell you what.
What?
We put some of these split peas on the tray like that, and then use your imagination.
Oh, right. Oh. Oh.
There. Are you on a beach?
Oh, I am.
Are you there? Really?
Oh, that's it.
Marvellous.
Oh, why, Charlie, listen to this. Charlie?
Yes?
Can you slap this spoon on the top of the
Slap
water?
the spoon on the water. Hang on.
Makes a good noise.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Try out the waves.
Perfect.
We're all at the seaside.
It really makes me think of the seaside, yes.
Oh, great time.
That means it's story time.
Charlie,
Yes.
do you think you could tell us a story using all these sounds? Hey, a story with the seaside in it.
Well, I suppose I could, yes.
And a train journey.
Oh, yes, and a farm.
Yes, I think I might be able to, yes.
And it would have to start with Poppy lying in bed fast asleep.
Snoring.
Fish, 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 fish.
Shh, right, we're ready. It was very early in the morning and Poppy was fast asleep. All you could hear was the ticking of the clock.
Fish, 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 fish.
And Poppy snoring.
Poppy snoring. And then the alarm clock went off.
Oh, hold it! Here, sticky tape! Oh, I must have fallen asleep.
Oh, it's all right, Poppy. Charlie's telling us a sound story, and you can join in.
Oh, a story! Oh, yes.
Suddenly, there was a knock at the door.
Oh, a knock at the door. Oh, I could do that.
Hey. Very good. It was Y and Peggy.
Hello, Poppy. Have you forgotten we're going to the seaside today? And if you don't hurry up, we'll miss the train.
So Poppy rushed off and packed a bag with a bag.
Hold it back down here. Hold
Is it?
on.
Oh, all right, okay.
Get it up. Oh, hang on.
Yeah, there's a bag.
That's it.
She went off to pack a bag with a towel,
Yes.
a swimming costume, and some sardine sandwiches.
Oh, of course.
Oh, of course.
Oh, I think I'll pack my alarm clock too.
Really?
So we'll know when it's time to come back.
All right, very good idea. So
Get in, please, Charlie.
the alarm clock goes in there.
Thank you.
Right, there you go.
Thank you.
And then they set off for the station.
Oh, right. Well, we could walk.
Hurry up, otherwise we'll miss the train.
Yes, and they got to the station just as the train was pulling in.
Let's get on, shall we?
All aboard! Mind the door!
Can I have the window seat, please?
Right, and then the train pulled off.
Oh, I can't wait to get on the beach. I want to go swimming.
And then the train stopped, and they all got out.
Oh, Charlie,
Yes.
don't forget the farm.
Oh, no, I won't.
Right, which way is it to the seaside?
I can hear something this way. Let's go over there.
So they all walked off down a lane. Now, you can help with this bit. They heard lots of sounds. First of all, they heard some cows. Moo. Moo. And then they heard some ducks.
Quack, 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 quack.
And then they heard some sheep. Bah, bah. And then they heard some pigs.
Excuse me.
What?
This doesn't sound like the seaside.
Oh, no.
It sounds more like a farm.
Oh, I can hear something over there. Let's try this way.
Oh, right.
Tramp, 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 tramp.
Should we do the seaside sounds
Oh,
now?
yes. Seagulls.
Right.
Oh,
What?
at last, we're here.
Poppy couldn't wait to go for a swim.
Now, Poppy,
Yes.
don't forget to put your bag in a safe place.
Oh, right. Oh, I know. I'll bury it.
Oh, goodness. So she dug a hole in the sand and buried her bag.
Yes.
And then she went off for a paddle.
Oh. Swim.
Swim, swim.
Swim. Swim, swim. Don't look, I can swim. I can swim.
Oh, careful.
Almost.
And Y went off down to the water's edge for a peaceful look at the waves.
Oh, yes. I wonder if the tide's coming in or going out.
And then they decided it was time for a picnic.
Oh, yes.
But we haven't got any sounds for that.
I have. Yummity, yummity,
No, no,
yummity.
wait a minute.
Oh.
But Poppy couldn't find her bag with the sardine sandwiches in it.
Oh, no. I've forgotten where I buried it.
So they all searched all around the beach, but they still couldn't find the bag with the sardine sandwiches.
I've lost my bag. What am I to do?
Suddenly, they heard a strange ringing sound.
What's that?
Oh, it's my alarm clock telling us it's time to catch the train home. It's in the bag.
So they followed the ringing sound, and it led them to where the bag was. So they found it. There.
It's here. Hold on.
Ah,
Found it.
right.
Oh, look at the time. We must get back or we'll miss the train.
Yes.
So they rushed off back to the station, just in time to catch the last train home. The end.
Hey, what a lovely day out.
Yes, I'm sure our friends would love to hear all about it.
Oh, but how are we going to get all the different sounds to Mr. Jolly?
Aha. Well, you didn't know this, but I was recording it on the tape recorder. So we can listen to it as often as we like.
Oh, it's just like the tape in my answering machine.
Oh, yes, I must put that new tape in, mustn't I? Or we won't have any messages next time.
Could we listen to the story tape,
Yes,
please?
yes,
Oh, all
go on,
right.
Charlie.
One little bit, here we go. They heard some cows,
The cows.
some ducks, some sheep. Oh, time to go now. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Charlie, can you get his bag?
Oh, I really liked making all the sounds for that story. It was almost as good as really going to the seaside. Hey, perhaps you could make up a story and find the sounds that go with it. Somebody might even be able to tape it for you. Better go now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Y. Don't forget that you can catch the Playdays bus to another stop at the same time tomorrow morning. And stay tuned to Children's BBC. I've got more of your birthdays next.